Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's head to those gas prices. Motorists will pay less at the pumps tomorrow. Some good news there for most categories of fuel. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 2 cents. Yes, 2 cents. $1.75 will be shaved off each litre of kerosene. But propane will sell for $3.06 more, while butane will increase by $2.36. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. What all of that means is that if you want to benefit from the prices that will take effect at midnight, you want to wait until tomorrow to fill up. Now to some other news, light and power company Jamaica Public Service JPS has received $100 million in financing from the private sector lending arm of the Inter-American Development Bank IDB Invest. The funds will be used to boost JPS's capital investment program. The transaction included the mobilization of $50 million from CIBC Caribbean, which acted as co-arranger. JPS will roll the funds into its 2024 capital expenditure program. CEO of IDB Invest, James Skirvin, says JPS will also be able to accelerate Jamaica's climate-smart energy transformation. The package will help fund the ongoing grid modernization, smart meter deployment, transmission and distribution improvement and upgrades. Now, President and CEO of JPS, Steve Berberich, says the project will include investments to continue JPS's digital transformation. The light and power company will also use the facility to help support the deployment of electric vehicle EV infrastructure, including 17 new electric vehicle charging stations. Economic activity in Manchester is expected to increase with Bloomfield BPO being certified by the Jamaica Special Economic Zones Authority, JSEZA. The handing over ceremony took place recently at its location on Greenvale Road in the parish. The centre, which can employ up to 3,600 individuals, has commercial space for different sectors, including logistics, food manufacturing, agriculture and digital media. The chairman of the Manchester Municipal Corporation and the managing director of Bloomfield BPO pointed to other opportunities.
The free zone status is a strategic move, positioning Mandeville as an attractive destination for commerce and trade. It is a vote of confidence in our city potential to be a thriving economic hub.
We are in dialogue with NEPA to extend the commercial belt of Mandeville. So along this roadway, one lot in on both sides, we are hoping to have it certified as a commercial belt. So we'll have more of this along this route here.
Now, Bloomfield BPO is the brainchild of Manchester businessman Kenneth Black. When ground was officially broken in 2022, construction cost was estimated at $1.2 billion. The currency market now trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.44. The Canadian is going for $116.68. The pound is trading for an average $197.14, while the euro is costing an average $171.47. To the stock market, the JSE index gained 138 points today, while the junior market index increased by 7 points. Among the winners were Blue Power Group, ISP Finance Services, Sagicor Select Funds, Manufacturing and Distribution, JMB Group 5.75% US dollar cumulative redeemable shares, and The Lab. The losers included Margaritaville Turks, Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, and Jamaica Producers Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.